Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to be drawing a lady, and I'm drawing this from imagination, so I'm actually kind of making things up as I go along. But I start with the eyes, try to make sure their proportions are right, and as I add the nose and the lips, again I'm always looking at the proportions, trying to see where it should lay, and afterwards I go ahead and draw the outline of her face. Decided to give her a hat here, and as I said, I'm making this up, so I'm not sure that I was successful with especially the top part. But anyway, I'm using a regular mechanical pencil with a standard lead, which was probably an HB lead, so I'm not getting a lot of contrast, really dark tones with this, which is fine because I kind of wanted this sketch to be fairly soft, maybe feminine, kind of like style. And if this was a guy, maybe make it more contrasty. Depends on what you really want. So here I'm continuing on with blocking in her figure, which is what I usually do for the whole sketch first before I start shading it in. But as you see, I start shading in the face and hat already, but going on to the hair, I'm making this up as well, and I wasn't exactly sure where to have her hair lay, and I will change this later on. Initially I had it laying behind the left shoulder, but I didn't really care for how the left shoulder looked, so I'm just gonna have the hair go in front. I also wasn't particularly happy with how the right arm was, so I actually changed that as well to make it fall behind her hip. Decided to add gloves, long gloves on her, and I was actually going to put pants on her, but decided to just have her wear basically a tight skirt. And you can see how I quickly shade in the dark areas, fairly random, making it look fairly sketchy. And I went ahead and finished the drawing by outlining it with pen, and I left the face untouched with the pen just to again maintain that soft look, make it look more sensual maybe. And I think I'm pretty much done with this, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you at the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.